So in this video, I will go over the sprite fonts. So here's the header. So this was given to us, so there's really not much different here. Um, but in the .cpp, when the sprite font gets created, the the sprite font gets loaded into the texture manager. The user does not have to do that. And then go to when it creates the actual glyphs for it. It also loads it into the image manager on its own. Again, the user doesn't have to do that. And then this is just creating the glyphs for the actual font. Then just getting the glyph. Actually, I just realized I have to adjust my font files to make sure they include the special characters. So I gotta change that. Um, and that is pretty much it for the SpriteFont class. Most of this is given to us, so oh well, for the destructor at least, it just iterates through the map and just deletes all the sprite fonts. And then for the manager itself, it's similar to the other asset managers, Singleton. I believe I went over it. No, I did not go over this one. Um, so for public methods, you got load and get, and then just delete. And there is an attorney for it that just does delete that gets used in the engine. It also has a default path like the other asset managers, and then for the load and get, they're just like the other ones. Make sure the key exists or isn't being used, and then it does what it needs to do. And then just iterates through the map to clear it out, and then cleans it up. Okay. Then to show a example how the sprite string or sprite font is used. I believe the HUD. Nope. Should be in here then. Yep, right here. So here in the sprite font, um, show in the load resources. So here's a sprite font. It loads in the actual font, and then when the user needs it, they just call get with a sprite font. And so that's all the user needs to do. Everything else gets taken care of. So for the class diagram, so here's a sprite font. Okay, and that's really it for sprite font. There's not much else to show. I have to show the sprite font manager. Should be right here, sprite font manager. Okay, and then for documentation, so here's a sprite font manager, and then the actual sprite font class itself. Right, and that is what I have for the sprite fonts.